When we design a racing car, we put every single part to the test. Except for one. This time too, we've set the gauges back to zero and examined every detail. Lightweight construction, performance, and efficiency have been uncompromisingly reinterpreted. We have given our all to create something that is far more than the sum of its parts. A true Porsche. The Porsche 919 Hybrid. The future of the sports car. The racing laboratory for our visions. The concentration of all our effort, expertise, and skill. A pioneering concept for performance and efficiency. An intelligent solution that combines a combustion engine with an advanced hybrid drive. And the ambassador of our brand core that has accompanied us for more than 60 years on the road into the future. Porsche Intelligent Performance.